And what is up, people? Welcome back to another video on the Cryptosphere YouTube channel. Today checking out WeWake, one interesting crypto project. This is the platform that is focused on structured earning through staking, referrals and other rewards. They have eased the onboarding process in crypto space massively, and overall they have their project and their token in their pre-sale. Without further ado, guys, let's jump straight to it. As always, we are starting on the website, but one really important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything is that this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one, and if you're thinking about checking, joining, or maybe investing into any crypto project, definitely do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational, and with that being said, we can jump straight to it. As I said, crypto platform that is focused on structured earning. They have complete dashboard, or we can say web application that is available that can be used for staking. There are different lock periods, buying of their project, joining the referral program, sharing the link. Everything is on the dashboard, or it says on the top right corner, launch app. Overall, they have staking available, even though their product is currently in the pre-sale still, or their token is in the pre-sale, staking is already active. And one really interesting thing about the product is that they have Paymaster sponsored gas. So someone who want to buy or sell, for example, or maybe withdraw the tokens, the staking amount, or anything like that, the gas fees are covered by Paymaster. So Paymaster is sponsoring gas. Interesting, and overall that is collaboration of it. Truly great. There is the website, we can go and scroll through it. We can see acquiring, staking, withdrawing, everything is here explained. And overall, here is on the phone, we will do it on the PC, but overall easy and simple. Ethereum settlement is the starting part, yes or maybe not. Login, smart, sponsored execution, roll up processing, and Ethereum settlement, layer 1 anchored finality. Overall, I think I explained the core concept of the project itself, and now I think that you at least a bit understand what is their main focus and what are they all about. As we can see over here, some stats. So total wake distributed is 182 close to 5 million. Active participants close to 18.5 thousand, transaction 2.7 million, and supported regions 120 plus. Truly great. The website is really interactive, explaining, showing, and overall bringing the idea closer. There is a lot of things, and we'll check also their team members that are all checked, doxed, and overall they are all picked. They are transparent, which is truly massive. Now, as I said, onboarding process. I will click launch the app, and you will see what will happen. Here is the login page, and easy and simple. It is the option to log in with Google. There is also X, Apple, Mail, and I will log in with my Google. I have already done it, but it is the same process. Just clicking on each of these options, and one click login, and it is done. And now, guys, it has passed just a couple of seconds, and now this is the dashboard. We are on the dashboard. Here is explained how things can be done, and this is the whole process: buying, staking, and then we can see the liquidity pools are upcoming. So these two things are the steps that can be done. So first of all, it's buying process, and when I click on buy, WeWake, we can see USDC or other option, Ethereum and USDT. It's important that this project itself is on Ethereum. It is layer 2 Ethereum, layer 2 of Ethereum. So USDC can be used for buying in. I just want to see what is the rate, for example, for one. Well, let's see what rate it is giving us. A purchase fee, minimum fee. Okay, I think the token is currently below minimum. Minimum is 12.4. So important note, 12.4 is the minimum amount. We can see over here how much we get. I think currently one WeWake is selling for somewhere around, if I'm not mistaken, 0.0388, something like that, $4 and their aiming listing price is at 0.15. This is the step number 1. I have completed these steps. Now the step number 2 after the purchase has happened is the staking. Now when I click on my stake, because I have done it, I have 2 stakings that are already active. One of them is called instant staking and one of them is massive lockup, that is 12 months lockup period. Now when I'm staking, of course it is showing over here that I need to stake WeWake, their token itself, that I have purchased, and here are the plans. We can see it goes from instant, 1 month lock, 3 months, 6 months, and it goes up to 12 months, and the APIs of course going higher and higher and higher. Easy and simple, and we can see any single one of these options can be used. I have firstly checked this one instant staking for 9.1%, and for that instant staking, because it is open, and once someone stakes the tokens, the rewards are going straight away. And for this one, of course, as it is locked, I have this lock amount which is until the April 4th of 2027, which is 1 year, almost 1 year from now. Liquidity pools are coming soon, and as you can see over here, it is giving the rewards in USDC, the token that I use for purchasing the token itself. You can see the invested amount and everything that I have done, and when I go to rewards hub, it is giving me everything in one place. You can see everything that is doing and happening on the profile itself. Taking again over here liquidity pool, as we mentioned 2 or 3 times, coming really soon, which will be really great. So as I said, I tested with this one. Now I have jumped to the highest and highest amount which looks suitable for me. Of course, it is my opinion, my money, everything is mine, so that was something that I saw good for me. Of course, it is totally on me. I think we checked the website now, we checked the app now. Now one big thing also that is possibility for anyone, and for me I think not the most, but maybe a little bit more, is the referral. Referral itself is, of course, we all know what referral is, and with WeWake they are giving 15% of referrals. So if someone buys with login with your referral link and buys after it's logged in, 50% of purchase is going straight to you. So if for example someone buys through my link and buys for $1,000, I'm getting $150 right away. It is just good percentages. Referral rewards are common in crypto space, but the percentage itself is really good. 50% is something really good, and I love it. Security, as I mentioned already, here it is for me actually personal information and so on. Now guys, as I mentioned, we checked here the depth, the staking, rewards, how everything is looking on my side, and I have my personal experience on it that I have used and done it. And now, as I mentioned guys, I want to check the members of their team. I want to see if they're transparent or not. Clicking on contact them, as we can see over here, here is the company, resources, roadmap about them, and contact them. Members of their team, I have been informed that they are all cyberscoped, audited, so they are picked, they are overall transparent. As we can see over here, the members of their team themselves, there is the request access, private participation, and overall they are really great. Let's see if we will get any more of them, but this is enough. We can see over here everything is transparent, everything is on point. I think I have mentioned everything. I hope I have mentioned everything. I hope that now you understand what WeWake is actually about. Layer 2 Ethereum platform that is focused on structured earning, also account abstraction, which is ERC 4337. It is technical things, but overall guys, one great project, really interesting. We saw the locking period, the staking options that are available, reward parts, liquidity pool that are coming really soon, their token and token appreciation that is planned, and overall their big plans, and their team that is truly transparent. I'll finish the video right here about WeWake, and I want to hear it from you. For anyone who want to check it out and maybe explore a little bit more about it, links are left in the description for convenience purposes so someone can join. I want to thank you everyone for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.